Kakatapos na ng finals. Ewan ko dahil second year na tayo. Hi guys! Hi guys! So today is May 26 and it's already 8:27 p.m. And nandito pa rin ako sa dorm kasi kakatapos na ng finals namin because we have our NSTP graduation. Tapos, ayun, mayroon pa kaming practice tomorrow afternoon and then another whole day practice. Tapos, May 29 is the NSTP graduation. Ay, hindi lang yun kasi magpapacheck pa kami ng paper for stats. Yun lang naman. And mayroon pang systematics. Kakatapos na ng finals. Ewan ko ba? Ang OA na. No lang kasi dahil second year na tayo. Hi guys, get ready with me. May 27, it's 8:37 a.m. I have to go to school for our magpapacheck kasi ako today, so I have to go there. And the plan is 9 a.m. and it's currently 8:38. Hi guys, so yes, we have our NSTP practice at 1 p.m. and it's currently 12:22. So I need to get ready kasi I'm going 12:30 or 12:45 dahil sabay ako kay Jelen. Well, anyways, so this is the fit. Brown pants and just a t-shirt. Ang pangit ng ang taba ko siya tingnan. Ang taba ko siya tingnan. Tapos, ayun. Pa-fade na yung makeup ko. So, mag-retouch lang ako. So, guys, I'm done na. And, alam niyo ba what's the funny thing about it? Is that I made an effort to the full makeup and such, and then face mask ko lang to dahil we can't enter the campus without a face mask because of the mpox. Bilis ko mag-get ready. It's 12:32 pala. Hi guys, so today is Friday and I'm back home. It's May 31 today, so naging productive ako. I woke up to do my laundry, tapos naglinis ako ng room, hindi ako makapag-video for the vlog. But anyway, kasi ito yung isang door na aking wardrobe. It's now one face. Hi guys! So, update. Ito na, mag-open na tayo ng baleta. Charot. Mag-open na tayo ng mga gamit. Kasi we're going to put it in my closet. I have here my love gown. So guys, we're on another level of independency. Kasi maglalagay ako nito for my curtains. Kasi wala yung tito ko dito ngayon. Ganito yung ginagamit dito eh. Kasi naputol yung kahoy. So let's go. Let's do this alone.